Good morning, students. Welcome to English class. Today we have to start our section 2 lesson, that is Adolf. That is a part 2 of standard 7. Okay. Do you remember the story of part 2 of Adolf? One day the father bring a small rabbit to their house. It was so small that it cannot be moved, and children were very happy to see this, but their mother did not like it, because why? In the earlier time, father bring the same wild animals to their house, but after some days it was died. It was a great shock to the children. That is why mother did not like to bring this rabbit to their house. Then after this, what happened? What happened to this Adolf? Trouble fell on us. The little rabbit sat on your lap, unmoving its eyes wild and dark. Then what happened? Then today itself, the rabbit was not moving, and so we brought a milk and some warm milk and held it in its nose. It was sat as still as it far away retreated down some deep burrow, hidden, oblivious. Then what happens? We bring some hot milk near to the nose of the mouth. This animal. അതായത് ഇതിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് പാല് കൊണ്ടുവച്ചു. എന്തിനാണ്? If it move, it can drink this milk. And it was hidden means hidden and oblivious, not aware of the children, and to feel like it live like in the burrow. And we wetted its mouth and whiskers with a drop of milk. It gave no sign, did not even shake off the wet white drops. Then what happened? After this, we put some drop of milk into their mouth, but it was no to move. അതായത് ഇച്ചിരി പാല് നനച്ചു വായി വെച്ചു കൊടുത്തിട്ട് പോലും അത് അനങ്ങുന്നില്ല. Then after this, to seeing this, children were very disappointed. ഇത് കണ്ടപ്പം കുട്ടികൾക്ക് ഭയങ്കര ദുഃഖമാണ്, കാരണം ഇത് അനങ്ങുന്നില്ല. What did I say? Cried my mother. Take it and put it down the field. Then what after this, to seeing this, mother says that to throw it into the field. അതായത് ഇത് കണ്ടപ്പോൾ അമ്മയ്ക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടില്ല. അമ്മ പറഞ്ഞു, എന്താണ് ഇതിനെ കൊണ്ട് വെറുതെ ഇവിടെ ഫീൽഡിൽ കൊണ്ട് കളയാൻ പറയും. Her command was in vain. But her command was in vain. Vain here means not successful. അമ്മ ഓർഡർ ഇട്ടു ഇതിനെ to throw it away എന്ന്. But it was no anyone not to throw it away. We were drowned to get dressed for school. There was sad rabbit. It was like a tiny obscure cloud, and watching it, and the emotions died our breast. Then at this time we are going to school. It's a time for going to school, and but it was very difficult to understand. And obscure cloud here means that we are very difficult to understand. And watching it, and emotions died out our breast. പക്ഷെ അവളുടെ വിഷമം മാറുന്നില്ല, കാരണം ഇത് അനങ്ങുന്നില്ല. അനങ്ങാതെ നിൽക്കുന്ന കാണുമ്പോൾ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് വളരെ ദുഃഖമാണ്. And its little feelings were all ambushed. Ambushed here means hidden. അവരുടെ ദുഃഖങ്ങളെല്ലാം അവരവരുടെ മനസ്സിൽ ഒതുക്കി വയ്ക്കുകയാണ്. They must be circumvented. Circumvented here means avoided something difficult. അതായത് ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടാണ്, പക്ഷേ എങ്കിലും അത് ഓർക്കാതിരിക്കാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുന്നു. Love and affections were trespass upon it. A little wild thing, it became more mute and asphyxiated, still in its own arrest when we approached with love. നമ്മൾ സ്നേഹം കൊണ്ട് എന്നാലും എന്താണ്, or it cannot be mute എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ it became a more silent. And asphyxiated here means uncomfortable, and we must not love it, and we must circumvent it, and for its own existence. And so children cannot see it, so they wanted to avoid this rabbit. അതായത് ഒഴിവാക്കുകയല്ല, അവരുടെ മനസ്സിൽ നിന്ന് അതൊരു മറക്കാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുകയാണ്. So I passed to order my sister and mother. The rabbit was not to be spoken to, not to even look at her. So I ordered my sister and mother not to spoke or not to spoke about this rabbit or not to look at this rabbit. Wrapping it a piece of flannel, I put it an obscure corner of the cold parlor and puts a saucer of milk before its nose. Then after this they take a piece of flannel and wrap it and put it into the cold parlor. Cold parlor here means a room in a house for sitting, and we put it in a sitting room, a corner of the sitting room, and we went to school. As if I could take any notice of your nonsense, she cried, affronted, and yet I doubt if he ventured its parlor. Then the mother replied, this is not your business. You don't look at the parlor. It is not your business. Mother ordered that. At a midday, after school, creeping into the front room, there was we saw rabbit still unmoving and a piece of flannel also. Then after the school, we went to the house, and it was that time also that it was not moving. Then, why don't it drink its milk, mother? We whispered. Our father was asleep this time. My father was asleep. Why don't it not drink this milk? The children asked their mother. But a profound problem was there. It prefers to suck its life away. We put young dandelion leaves to its nose. Then after this, we put some dandelion leaves to the near this rabbit, because it gave a smell that make anyone faint. That is a smell ulla leaves are കാരണം എന്തെങ്കിലും ഇച്ചിരിയൊക്കെ ജീവനുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ആരെങ്കിലും തലകറങ്ങി വീഴുന്നവരില്ല. And the sphinx was not in a more obvious. Sphinx here means sphinx is an ancient Egyptian stone statue that's with a human head and a body of a lion. That is a lion and unmoved. They look like that. And this much about today's class. You read the lesson well and studied it well. Okay, thank you.